Alright guys, for my final project I've decided to do an activity where class would divide into 4 groups of 4 students each, or whatever it works out to be, and each group would get a different sized hula hoop or some kind of large circle, and the objective would be that they come up with the circumference. Basically they would also get a yardstick or some other way, measuring tapes, whatever you've got, to measure their diameter of their circle, and then use diameter times pi to come up with their circumference, or if they can come up with it a different way, that's fine too. But once they did come up with the circumference, they would estimate how many rotations it would take to get 100 foot. And I thought it would be fun to go out in the hallway or go outdoors and lay out a track basically, and each group would roll their item and they would count each time a tag marking one spot on the hula hoop, how many times that touched the ground, which would be rotations, and to see how they did. Another, one idea to kind of explain how the students need to think about this is to slice the circle and then lay it out, and that would be their circumference. I've laid out a shorter track here, which is, for this particular one, the circumference is 81.6, or I've just rounded it up to 82, but the diameter was 26. So students would just roll their item until their marker hit the ground, and that would be one rotation, which is 82 inches, and then the next rotation would be twice that, which is 164. But really all they're gonna do is count each time the tape hits the floor. I also thought it would be fun to do a larger one, and I was gonna do, this is 1/2-inch conduit, and the max you can get on it is about 2 sticks, so it's a 20-foot circumference, and it looks like it's gonna be about a 6-foot circle. But it'd be kind of fun for students to roll this down 100 foot, just something to keep them busy, keep their hands busy. Thank you for your time.